We often look up at the night sky and see a canvas of twinkling stars, a serene and unchanging backdrop to our daily lives. But the truth is, our cosmic neighborhood is anything but static. A hidden symphony of celestial bodies dance and twirl, governed by the laws of physics and sculpted by forces beyond our imagination. From the fiery heart of our solar system, the Sun, to the icy plains of Pluto, there are wonders that defy expectation and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Today we journey into this realm of the extraordinary, to uncover the mind-blowing truths hidden within our own solar system. Our Sun, it bathes our planet in light and warmth, the giver of life and energy. It's easy to think of it as simply large, but to truly grasp its scale, consider this. Our Sun alone accounts for 99.8% of the entire solar system's mass. Imagine gathering every planet, moon, comet and asteroid, all the cosmic debris, and placing it on a cosmic scale opposite the Sun. It would barely register, that's how dominant our star is. It's gravity holding this entire system in its sway. And Jupiter, that king of planets, the one we call a gas giant, it accounts for the lion's share of that remaining fraction. A humbling thought, isn't it, to realize how much of our cosmic neighborhood is dominated by a single magnificent star. Let's travel now to the innermost planet, a world scorched by the Sun's embrace of Mercury. This tiny world, the smallest of the planets in our solar system, is actually shrinking. You see, as Mercury's heart, its core of molten metal, slowly cools over billions of years, the planet itself contracts. Imagine a grape slowly turning into a raisin, and you have a sense of the forces at work. This contraction isn't without its consequences. The surface of Mercury is scarred with wrinkles, vast cliffs called lobate scarps, testaments to the planet's ongoing shrinkage. Scientists estimate Mercury has shrunk by about 14 kilometers in diameter since its formation. A stark reminder that even in the vastness of space, change is a constant. Our journey takes us now to Venus, our celestial neighbor, often called Earth's twin. But don't be fooled by the superficial similarities. Venus harbors secrets that defy our expectations. For one, it spins backward. That's right, while most planets, including Earth, rotate on their axis in a counterclockwise direction, Venus decided to go its own way, spinning clockwise in what we call retrograde rotation. And if that weren't strange enough, consider this. A day on Venus, a complete rotation on its axis, is longer than its year. Yes, you heard that right. It takes Venus longer to spin once on its axis than it does to complete an orbit around the Sun. Chapter 4. Mars, the Red Planet, a world of rusty dust and ancient mysteries. It's here that we find the most impressive mountain in our entire solar system, Olympus Mons. Picture, if you will, a volcano 3 times taller than Mount Everest, so colossal that its base would span the entire Hawaiian island chain. That, my friends, is Olympus Mons. But how could such a behemoth arise? The answer lies in the heart of Mars itself. Unlike Earth, with its shifting tectonic plates, Mars is geologically quieter. This allowed lava to erupt from Olympus Mons for billions of years, piling up higher and higher without spreading out as we see on Earth. Chapter 5. Our cosmic voyage now takes us to the king of the planets, the mighty Jupiter. Swathed in swirling clouds of gas, Jupiter is a world of extremes, and nowhere is this more evident than in its great red spot. This isn't just any storm, it's a hurricane-like vortex larger than our entire planet. A tempest that has been raging for centuries, at least 400 years that we've observed. Imagine winds whipping around at hundreds of miles per hour, a maelstrom so vast that 2 or 3 Earths could fit comfortably inside. However, even this giant shows signs of change. Observations show that the great red spot is slowly shrinking. Will it disappear one day, swallowed by the Jovian atmosphere? Only time will tell. Chapter 6. Our Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, its rings a celestial ballet of ice and rock. They seem eternal, unchanging, yet here's a surprise. Those rings are young, far younger than Saturn itself. While the planet has graced our cosmos for about 4.5 billion years, its iconic rings are likely only 10 to 100 million years old. To put that in perspective, dinosaurs were still roaming the Earth when Saturn's rings began to form. And there's more. Those rings, beautiful as they are ephemeral. The ice particles that compose them are slowly raining down onto Saturn, drawn in by the planet's immense gravity. In a cosmic blink, perhaps 300 million years or so, Saturn's rings might vanish entirely. And Chapter 7, Uranus, the sideways world. Uranus, the ice giant, a world of turquoise hues and frigid temperatures. But Uranus has a secret, a rather dramatic one at that. You see, unlike most planets that spin on an axis relatively upright to their orbits, Uranus is tilted on its side, almost 98 degrees. Imagine a top spinning almost perfectly horizontally, and you get the picture. This extreme tilt isn't just an astronomical curiosity. It gives Uranus the most extreme seasons in our solar system. Each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Now that's what I call a long winter. Chapter 8, Neptune. Realm of supersonic winds. Our journey takes us now to the farthest reaches of our solar system, to Neptune, a world of deep blue hues and howling winds. In fact, Neptune holds the record for the fastest winds in our solar system. Try to imagine winds whipping around at 1,300 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound here on Earth. These supersonic winds are driven by Neptune's internal heat and its turbulent atmosphere. But despite our best efforts, we still don't fully understand the mechanisms that generate such ferocious storms. Neptune, it seems, is determined to keep some of its secrets. Chapter 9, Pluto's frozen heart. Though demoted to dwarf planet status, Pluto still holds a special place in our hearts. And speaking of hearts, Pluto has one of its own, at least in appearance. Tomball Regio, a vast bright region on Pluto's surface, is shaped remarkably like a heart. This heart is actually a massive glacier composed mostly of nitrogen ice, and beneath this frozen surface, scientists believe there might be a vast hidden ocean of liquid water. Imagine that, an ocean on a world billions of miles from the sun. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder that exist even in the coldest corners of our solar system. Chapter 10, Planet 9, Lurking in the Shadows. Our exploration of the solar system ends with a mystery. Beyond the orbit of Neptune, astronomers have observed strange gravitational anomalies, hinting at the presence of a large yet unseen world. A hypothetical Planet 9. This elusive planet, if it exists, could be 10 times the mass of Earth and take tens of thousands of years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. It's a tantalizing thought, this phantom planet. A reminder that our solar system still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. The search for Planet 9 continues, driven by the insatiable human desire to explore the unknown. Outro, mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. From a shrinking Mercury to a backward-spinning Venus, from a mountain that dwarfs Mount Everest to a storm bigger than Earth, our solar system is a showcase of cosmic wonders. Each planet, each moon, tells a story of cosmic evolution, of forces shaping and reshaping these celestial bodies over billions of years. These mind-blowing facts remind us that space is far stranger, far more awe-inspiring than we could ever imagine. And as we continue to explore, to push the boundaries of our understanding, who knows what other surprises await us in the depths of our cosmic neighborhood? Would you brave the supersonic winds of Neptune, or perhaps sail across Pluto's hidden ocean? Let me know which world you'd visit in the comments below. Keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring.